Hello everybody, welcome back from KNUS. Today I want to show you how to use the dimension. This video is created for beginners, so I will show you slow and steady. First of all, I will open a new drawing. To create the new drawing, click on the down arrow, click on the Autocad.dwd. This is for Imperial unit. Now new drawing open already. You can see the gray line on the screen. If you don't want the gray line, you can click on here. Otherwise, you can press F7. For gray on, gray off, you can press F7. I will save this drawing. I will press Ctrl S to save the drawing. Then I will give the name dimension. Then ENG. I will press Enter or I click on the save. Then I need to set the unit limit as usual. To set the unit, you and enter. You can choose decimal. For precision, I will click on 2 decimal place. Finally, I click on OK. For the limit, I just type LIMITS limit, press enter. Then for the left corner, 0.0 is okay already. That's why I will press enter. Then for the right corner, I will make it 1000. 1000 feet, 1000 feet. Press enter. Then I press enter again. To make sum up, I will type Z enter, E enter. Now I will copy the drawing from other file because I want to save the time. Go to other file, select the drawing that I want to copy, then press Ctrl C. Then click on my drawing, press Ctrl V. Now I paste already the drawing in my current file, but I can see. I'm not sure the drawing reached already inside my drawing or not. To check the drawing, I can type the enter, it enter, meaning it's shown all. Okay, all drawing reached already. Okay, I will delete unnecessary one. Then I will copy this one. If you want to measure the drawing, you can take that dimension from annotation panel. That's why I want to explain you about annotation panel. This is the dimension. You can see so many options here. If you want to measure the drawing, you just click here. This is for linear dimension. Click on it. Then you need to show the first point, then show the second point. If you want to go down, you show downside. If you want to go up, you show top side. I will put it downside. For the vertical dimension, you can use the linear dimension. Click on the first point, then click on the second point. Then show the direction. I will show you another way. You click on the linear dimension. Now this time you don't want to show the first point or second point. If so, you just press enter. Then you click on the line that you want to measure. Click on it. Then you show the direction. It's okay already. We already make simple dimension. You check the dimension, we can see the text or not. It's too small to see the text. In this condition, what we need to do is we need to edit the dimension size. Okay, to edit the dimension size, we need to go to annotation panel, click on the down arrow, then you see. This is the symbol of dimension editing. Click on it. Automatically, you can type G enter to get the dimension style manager. Okay, now you see the left side, you can see two options. The first one is annotated, second one is standard. This annotated is used for auto scaling. Auto scaling meaning is supposing your drawing scale is bigger, your text also will become bigger according to scale. If your drawing scale becomes smaller, the text size also becomes smaller according to the drawing scale. Later, I will show you how to use annotated scale. Now, I want to show you how to use the standard. Now, I will create new dimension style. I will not amend the dimension style on standard because I need to keep the standard for my information. As an example, I will show you inside. I will click on the modify. All these settings are default settings. I will go to the text. You see the text height. Text height is 0.18. Then I will go to symbol and arrow again. Arrow size is 0.18. According to default setting, arrow size and text size is same. There are some more reasons to keep the standard dimension style. Because you see the line, you will see here some more default setting. These all are very proportionate. If you want to change the dimension bigger, you go to fit. You just change here. If you want to make it bigger, you just make it bigger. If you want to make it smaller, you just make it smaller. Okay, I will show you. I will make it bigger. All text become bigger. The arrow is very small already. The text doesn't go around anything with your dimension, but it's not really proportionate. That's why you shouldn't adjust the size here. What you need to do is, if you want to make it bigger or smaller, you go to fit, Then adjust the scale on overall scale. I will change back this one 0.18 to be proportionate. Okay, then go to fit. I will make it bigger. Suppose I will make it 20. Okay, press enter and click on OK. And I will click on close. I will delete this one. Now I can see the dimension. Even though the dimension is visible, but it's not the proper test height. So I need to change again. I will type the enter. Oh, I forget to copy because I need to keep the standard one. So I will click on the new. Then I will go to continue. Before I create new one, okay, I will go to standard and modify because I made some changes here. I will change back to one. The rest there, I didn't change anything. So click on OK. Okay, then I will create new one. Click on new. I will give the name. The name is area because I want to use the area test. Later I will mention the scale here. And now I will click on continue. Lastly, I will click on fit because I want to change the dimension size. Last time I already changed to 20. Now I will change to 50. Overall scale 50. Press enter. All dimensions are bigger together. What I mean is test and arrow and extension all together bigger. Then I will click on OK to check the dimension size. Before I start dimension, I need to choose my dimension style. So go to annotation, click on the down arrow. Then here area already. Okay, that's fine. Click on area. Then I need to show the dimension. Okay, to show the dimension, go to linear, click on it, show the first one, show the second one, then pull down. Now the dimension size is perfect already. I will show some more dimension. Click on the linear, then I will press enter, then click on the line, then I will move to the right, then click. Now I can see the dimension very clearly, but I need to make some more adjustment because you see here, this one 4 decimal places, this one not okay. Then I want to change the color, so I need to go back to dimension style manager. So click on the annotation and click on the dimension manager. Then click on modify. Firstly, I will go to the line. Okay, let's see what we can do in this step. Firstly, in this line tab, actually there are two parts. The first one is dimension line and second line is extension line. Okay, let's see what we can do now. The dimension line, I will choose the color, click on the color and choose the red color. Okay, all dimension lines are red color already. Then for the line type and line weight, I can choose by block. Okay, here are so many options. If you choose by layer or by block or continuous, this one okay really. Then line weight also same thing. You can choose by layer, by block or default. This one okay really. If you go down and choose the darker one, your dimension will be very dark. Now we set them to use very dark dimension. Okay, I will click on the by block. And the full one is then beyond text. You can see here is white color. To be added for this one, you can go to symbol and arrow, then you choose the oblique. Okay, let's go back to line and you check here. Now this one added already. Okay, you can adjust the value here. Supposing I will make it 1. This dimension line go through the oblique and go outside already. Normally we don't do this way because this one is a little messy. So I will make it 0. Then I will choose my close arrow. For the baseline, I don't change anything because this is the default setting. Later I will make another video to show you how it works. Then you see the last one for dimension line, suppress. Suppress meaning is remove or take out. So as an example, I will click on it. All dimension line are removed already. So I will uncheck to see the dimension line. Then second part is extension line. For the extension line, let's see what can we do. Okay, we can change the color like a dimension line. I will choose yellow. Line type for extension line 1 and 2. Okay, by block is okay here. Some option, but I will choose by block. Okay, line weight also by block is okay. This one also suppress like a dimension line, like this one, same. If I click on the check box, all extension line are no more already. So I will click and check. Now you see the right side. Extend beyond dimension line. Okay, you can see some value here. Then offset from origin. This one also you can see some value. We will not change anything because this is the default setting. Okay, I will explain you extend beyond dimension line. Meaning is, you see, this red color one is the dimension line. This extension line go over the dimension. So meaning is from here to here, the distance is 0.1. Then I will show you another one, also from origin. Origin meaning is this drawing. Then also meaning is distance. Okay, so meaning is the distance from the drawing to extension line. This one is 0.0625. These two certain no change. For the extension line, you can make fixed length. Okay, if you want to make the fixed length, you click here. Then you can fix 1 inch or 2 inch or whatever. If so, the length will be fixed. I will enter this one. Normally, we don't use this one. Okay, let's go to another tab. The second one is symbol and let's see what we can do in this step. The first one, arrowhead. We can choose various type of arrow. Or here, you can choose the close blank arrow. Then here, this one is the dot. Then this is architectural link. Then this one oblique. All these things are very common type. Anyway, I will choose the close fit arrow. Then this one also I will choose close fit arrow. Then leader. We can choose the arrow for leader also. Okay, I will choose close arrow. Supposing your drawing is small, that's why the text cannot fit above the dimension line. So we move the text to the left or to the right by showing arrow. This one is called leader. Leader, I will show you why is the leader. Then here you can choose the arrow side. But normally we don't make any changes here because this is the default setting. If you want to make it bigger or smaller, you can go to you can change the overall scale. Let's go down center map. If you don't want the center map, click on none. If you want to show center map, click on the map. Then you can adjust the size also. If you want to make size more bigger, you can click on the line. If so, your dimension. If so, your center map is very big already. I will click on none. You can adjust the place size up or down or whatever. Where's the place size? You can check in the left side. Then let's go to another one. As length. The first option is precision dimension test. Where is the precision dimension test? You can check in the left hand side. Okay, above dimension test, this one also you can check in the left side photo. Then the last one, none. Normally I choose the none because I don't want to show the assembly. Sometimes this one is a little messy. Radius jaw dimension, jaw angle 45. You can adjust 45 or 30 or whatever. You can check what the jaw angle is. You check to the left side photo. Okay, the last one, linear jaw dimension. You see jaw height factor. You can adjust the side also, up or down or where's the jaw height. You can check in the left side photo. Okay, let's go to another tab. Go to test. In this test is very simple. We can see three different paths. The first one is test appearance. Then second one is test placement. The last one is test alignment. Okay, very simple. Let's see the first one, test appearance. Test appearance means we need to create the test type. If you have the ready-made test type, you can choose here. Otherwise, you can create new one. To create a new one, you go to the right side, click on the rectangle box. Then you will see the test type dialog box. Click on the new. I will give the name area because I want to use the area. A-R-I-A. Press enter, click on the area. Then here area already is okay. Test type no need to change. This all no need to change. Last time I already show you how to create the test type. This one is totally same procedure. I won't show you very detailed because I want to save the time. You just choose the test here only. The rest then no need to change. It's okay. Then click on set current and then click on close. Then you need to choose the test type that you created 2 minutes ago. I click on the area. Then test color. For the test color, I will click on the red. Free color, you can choose any one you want. I will click on the yellow. Normally, we don't show free color. Now, I will choose none because I don't want the free color. Then test height. I no need to change because this is the default setting. This is fraction height scale. The fraction is as you know 1/2 or 3/4 or something like this. Okay, let's go to another one. Draw frame around test. If I click on the checkbox, you can see the rectangle around the test. This one I no need, so uncheck. Let's go to another one. Test placement. We need to show the location of the test. Normally I choose above. You can choose any one. This is my preference. Then horizontal. For horizontal, center is okay. Then you can see some move for option. If you click on the extension line one, the test move to the right side. Click on the extension line two, the test move to the left side. Then if you click on the over extension line one, you see the text is over the extension. We certainly use this type of dimension and just show you as an example only. Okay, this one go to right side. This one set and use. Okay, so I will go back to center. View direction. You see normally left to right. If you click on the right to left, we never use such kind of thing. So I will click on the left to right. Lastly, I will go to primary tab and click on the precision to decimal place. Okay, I will go back to test. Observe from dimension meaning is you see the dimension regular one, this one. Then the type is here. Observe meaning is distance. The meaning is the distance from the dimension regular one to test. Okay, this one is finite. This one is default setting. No need to change. If you want to change also, you can change. Suppose I will make it one. Oh, you see now very far already. I will make it default setting. Okay, this one no need to change. Then test alignment. The test alignment very simple. If you click on the horizontal, all are horizontal. Horizontal dimension or vertical or incline or whatever, all are horizontal. Now I will click on the align with dimension line. If so, dimension is horizontal, test horizontal. Dimension vertical, test vertical. Dimension incline, test incline. Okay, you see radius also. Okay, click on ISO standard. The difference is this one only. The test of the radius show horizontally. I prefer this one, so I choose the ISO standard. As the last one, I click on the fit. In this step, there are 4 path fit option. Then second one, test placement. That one annotated. The last one is fine tuning. In this step, we use time and again in this one, use overall scale. I seldom use the rest thing. Anyway, I understand you want to know how they work. I will explain you one by one. The first one, fit option. I won't read each and every word. Supposing your drawing is too small to show the dimension test. So the test and arrow cannot fit between the extension line. In this situation, how you will arrange your test and arrow. That is the meaning of fit option. You see the first one, either test or arrow is fit. If you don't have the enough place between extension line, either test or arrow will be outside. Meaning it like this. Then second one, if you click on the arrow, arrow will be outside. Click on the test will be outside of the extension line. The next one, both test and arrow will be outside of the extension line. Then next one, always keep test between extension line. Then the last one is suppress arrow if they don't fit inside the extension lines. Meaning it's very simple, so I won't explain why this is. Then second part, test placement. When that is not in the default position, place it. Okay, where to place? There are 3 options. The first one, beside the dimension line. This one very simple. I no need to explain. Second one, over dimension line with leader. Leader meaning is arrow. Then the last one is over dimension line without leader. The third is above the dimension line without arrow. Let's go to another one. Key for dimension feature. Okay, the first one, annotated. If I click on the annotated, the whole dimension change automatically according to the drawing scale. Later, I will show you how to do this one. Okay, I will uncheck. Then second one, scale dimension to layout. This is another way to use the dimension in layout. Normally, we use the dimension in model space, but some people use the dimension in layout also. The advantage of this one is that you no need to change the dimension scale. Okay, let's compare to this one. If I click on this one, I need to change the dimension scale according to drawing scale. Supposing firstly I make the drawing scale 1 is to 50. Later I need to change to 1 is to 75. That time I need to change the dimension scale here. If you click on here, you no need to change the dimension size at all. I think you will understand. Don't understand also no problem. Later I will create another video. No need to worry. For overall scale, you need to change here. Okay. Now I already changed to 50, so no need to make some more changes. Okay, fine tuning, the last one. If I click on the here, please test manually. I will click on OK to show you demonstration. I will click on the here. I will show first point and second point to show the dimension. First point, second point. You see the crosshair movement? If the crosshair move to the right, test go to right. Then I go to left, then the test also go to left. Okay, I will click here. Our default setting is not like that. Okay, I will show you. Go to deep, modify. Then I will uncheck here. I will show you how the default setting work. I click on the linear dimension, first point, second point. Then I just go up a little bit. Okay, the test is standard already. I need to show the test location according to crosshair movement. I think you will get it. Okay, let's go back to dimension style manager. Then click on modify. This one also, I click here. You see the changes here. If I click on the checkout, this one show the standard map. If I uncheck, then standard map no more show already. Okay, I think you will get it this one also. Now we already studied line, simple and arrow, test, and fit. Okay, that's enough. There are some here, primary unit, alternate unit, and tolerance. Later, I will show you how to use this one. Okay, I will click on the OK. Let's show the dimension here. Okay, I will delete this one. Okay, let's start dimension. To measure the radius, I will click on the down arrow. Then you click on the radius. You click on the cycle. You show the radius. Here, I will uncheck the auto mode. Okay, I will put it here. Okay, let's get started to use the dimension. For the radius, click on the down arrow and then choose radius. Click on the cycle. You can adjust the angle according to your process. Then I will click here. The command is dim radius DIMRADIUS. Dim radius. Okay, the first one you can click on the first one. Then you can click on the cycle. If you want to show outside, you can show outside of the cycle. I want to measure the diameter, so click on the down arrow and click on the diameter. Click on the cycle, then you can show anywhere you want. The command is dim diameter DIMDIE. Okay, now here you can click on the first one, dim diameter. Click on the cycle and you can show outside. Okay, to measure the polygon, the first baseline, you can use the linear dimension. Click on the linear, show the first point and second point, then pull down. For the incline line, you can use the align dimension. Click on the down arrow, then click on the align. I will press enter, click on the line. This one also same thing. Command is dim align, DIMALIG align. Click on the first one, then press enter. You click on object, then let's measure the angle. The angle is a little different with other dimension. I will show you. Click on the down arrow, click on the angular. I want to show the angle from between these two lines. So I will click on the first point, then click on the second point. Okay, I will show here. The angle is 108 degree. Okay, that's fine. I want to show the outside dimension from here to here. Let's check it how to do. Click on the angular dimension, then click on the first one, click on the second one. Okay, I will move to the right. Okay, this one is from here to here only. Okay, this one not okay. So I will move to the left side. Left side also, the value of the angle is not what I wanted. Okay, I will go to the top. Okay, I will show here. Actually, I want from here to here to show the angular value from here to here. Okay, I will click on the angle again. And this time we need to read the command box carefully. Select a cycle line or specifying values. Okay, we already do the first method. So this time I will specify values. To use this method, I will press enter. You see the command box again. Specify angle values. Okay, value is this one, right? So I need to click on the values. Then you see command box again. Specify first angle and point. Okay, this one is the first one. Okay, then this is the second one. Okay, this time I will show the location. Click here. We already get the angle value from here to here. Okay, that's fine already. Let's measure the angle value one more time. To measure the angle value, click on angular, then show the first point and second point. Then I will click here. Okay, inside angle value is okay ready. Then I will show the outside angle value. Click on the angular, press enter. Then show the vertex, then show the first point. If you click on the midpoint also fine. If you don't want to go at the end of the line, it's okay. Just show the midpoint. Okay, first point, then second point also click on the midpoint. Okay, you already get the outside angle value. 330 plus 30, total is 360. That's fine already. Then the next one, I want to show the radius value. So click on the down arrow, click on the radius. Select the radius, then move up. Okay, we show already value. Here I want to show you one thing. Click on the D under, click on modify to show the center point. I will go to the fit, then I will click on the draw dimension line between extension line. Click on OK. Close. Then you see dimension line go and the center map. If you don't want this one, you need to uncheck in the fit. Then go to fit and uncheck. You see this one? I will click on close. Yeah, no more already. I think you will get it. Let's go to the last one. This is very common useful one. Okay, now I want to measure all these dimensions. So to measure the dimension, click on the linear, then click on the first point, second point, and I will put it here. Then I want to measure dimension until here. To be faster, I will not choose the linear dimension again. I will choose the another one. I will choose the continue one. To choose the continue, you cannot find here, so you need to go to annotate. Then you click on the continue. Once I click on the continue, the dimension start from here automatically. You just show the endpoint. Then the next one also just show the endpoint. If you don't have some more to go, press enter. To be out of the command, press enter one more time. Let's create another dimension. That is called baseline. Before we use the baseline, I click on the linear dimension. This one linear. Click on the linear, show the first one and second one. I will put it here. I want to show the dimension from here to here. This one done already. Then the next one is from here to here. Then the next one from here to here. Okay, to show this dimension, we need to click on the baseline dimension. So click on the baseline. Once I click on the baseline, the dimension start from here. Okay, I will go to the endpoint. Then the next one, go to the endpoint. Press enter. To out from the command, press enter again. Okay, that's it only. If you want to change the dimension, you no need to do like this one. Okay, this one no need. I show you faster one. You select the dimension, crosshair move on the grid point, then you will see straight dimension group. Click on the straight dimension group. If you want to auto on, press F8. You can move all dimension together. Click on the dimension line, move on the grid point. Then you can choose what you want here. Continue dimension. If you want to continue the dimension, okay, you can do this way also. Okay. You no need to take the dimension from the panel. Okay, this one, I will delete. Click on the dimension line again, move on the grid, then click on the baseline dimension. You can do this way also. This time, you can change the arrow direction. Okay, I will click on the flip arrow. You see arrow direction? Direction of the arrow change already. You can do this side also. Okay, flip arrow. Okay, you see? All arrows show inside. I will make it undo. You can make some more changes by using grip point. Okay, select the dimension, click on the text grip point, and you can stretch, you move here and there. Okay, then I will make it undo. Then go again, move with dimension line. Okay, dimension line and text move together. Make it undo, select again, go again. Move text only this one. If you want to auto off, press F8. You can move the text only. Select text again, go again, then this time move with. Okay, you see. Then go again, above dimension line. Okay, this one above already. Then center particularly. If you want to make it above, you can choose above dimension line. Okay. If you click on the reset test position, it will go back to default position. That's all for today's lesson, and I think you will got how the dimension works. If you have some question, please leave in the comment box. Thank you for watching my video and see you again. Bye bye.